Hazel.
Hi, my crew is.
And today we're gonna be getting some slime.
Yes, mommy, and I want cake slime. I found it.
That's not slime.
My slimy slime. I found it. Not it. What slime?
I found it. Crazy slime.
You found it. Mommy!
All I can see is pink. Wait, can we get it?
Mommy, I found it. I love it. I love it. I love you.
Got this.
We got that one. This is colorful. Now this is my favorite. This is mine. I got my slime.
Okay, it's time to open these.
And I love this slime.
And that's everything.
And I love this slime. And
Okay, now that we have it all together.
I love the glitchy slime.
This one's harder. We got red, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. They're the accessories.
This is mine.
Like this. Come here, hit it. Perfect.
I have butterflies on it.
Oh no, it has the Play-Doh caps.
Wow. This is tickly. Well, it's tickle. It's so fluffy.
Yours.
Come on. Let's go. Well, tickly.
Pour these in. And then, oh no.
Wow. So cool. I think later. Mine is so beautiful. I love it.
This is amazing. We'll follow attentionally. That's red. Okay. And then this one.
Mine is so beautiful like that.
You can see them through the slime.
I love windows. So cool and so
Whoa, that didn't even feel like slime for a minute. My hands
window.
forming into blue. I can already see purple.
Wow, window. Oh.
This looks better than before. Look at this.
Wow.
It looks like a color that I always want to see. Wow, this powder everywhere. It's time to open.
Mine is so cool. Mommy.
Oh, whoa.
No. Don't press that one on yours. No.
Pink and the purple is amazing to see. And then yellow. Yellow is leftover.
I love windows. No.
It's like Play-Doh mixed with slime. It's the rainbow color. It smells like all the berries. It smells like a blueberry mixed with a strawberry mixed with an orange. Smell it. Oh, the flowers! The flowers are making it smell good. These two are like my favorite. And you just put all of this left over. then the green, then the purple. And now I'm gonna name them my personal favorite. I think this should be lavender. This looks like a chill dude. He's like a chill dude. So I'll name him Brad. And then this one, I'm getting like a cheerful feeling. So this one's Daisy. And then this one's Fred. I already know this is an amazing slime. Spirium. Stretch. Stretch.
And this is like a monster.
Guess what, Cruzy?
Huh?
I got monster shoes too! Monster shoes. Cruzy, look at this amazing color. You put too much glove, Cruzy. Look what Cruz made. He had fun playing with slime. She mixed all the colors together. I still have sort of colors. And this was so much fun. Check out our other videos. Bye.
Bye bye.
It turned into blob.